Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you are your old WhatsApp chat not showing on your PC or WhatsApp web. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to bring back your missing chat easily with a few simple steps. As you can see guys, my WhatsApp desktop is not showing old messages even though they are visible on my phone. This happens when the sync between your phone and PC is interrupted. Okay, so the first step is to reconnect your WhatsApp. Okay, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to link devices and log out it, and you can easily able to log out it from your PC as well. Okay, so just click on three dots. From here you need to log out. Okay, after logging out, just you need to reconnect it back once again. After reconnecting, hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. This refreshes the connection and usually fixes the missing chat issue. In case you are facing the same type of problem, make sure WhatsApp stays open and connected on your phone while syncing. Okay, if your phone goes to sleep or loses the connection of internet, the desktop app won't load the old messages. Okay, so keep open the WhatsApp app on your phone as well. And one more important thing, in the WhatsApp, go to settings and here you can get the option sync. Okay, so if the syncing is paused, just need to open the WhatsApp on your phone and keep opening. Okay, and then refresh your WhatsApp page one time. Now it will fix your problem. So as you can see guys, messages was now syncing, so wait for a few minutes. As you can see guys, after the 100% was completed, it will show you your all old messages. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, so 90% of the problem will solve after trying this method. So as you can see guys, all my old messages was now showing. Still the problem is there on your side, you can try the next method. If you are using Windows PC like Windows 10, Windows 11, at that time you can try this method. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type %appdata% in the run box and then hit enter from your keyboard. Select the all file and delete it, especially WhatsApp folder from the app data folder. Okay, after doing this guys, reopen the WhatsApp. Now it will show you the old chat messages. In case the problem is still there on your side, now you can try the next method. Okay, you need to update the WhatsApp app on your phone, and if you're using the dedicated WhatsApp app for desktop, you need to update it. Okay, so if you are using the WhatsApp in your web browser, you need to update your web browser. Go to the web browser about page, and from here you need to update your web browser. Okay, after updating, it will fix your problem. And that's it. Follow this simple step and your old WhatsApp chat will back on your desktop quickly. Okay, if this video helped you, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech fixes. See you in the next one. Thank you.